Konnichiwa. Hello. Greetings from Idemitsu. Today we will present you the dynamics of passenger car motor oil, that is PCMO. In today's fast-moving world, car is a daily companion for millions of people across the world. It is more than 200 years when the car was first conceptualized, but it has been constantly evolving since then. Today's cars are more advanced, delivering more power, offering superior efficiency, and producing less byproducts. The engine of a car is as important as a heart in a human body. And to make sure that the heart of the car works well, it needs right engine oil to perform various important functions while moving inside the engine's critical parts continuously. Do you know what are the functions of a good quality engine oil? The basic function of an engine oil is to maintain proper lubrication in the car's engine. But it also needs to perform many other diverse functions like cleaning of the engine parts, reducing foaming, cooling, minimizing oxidation, protecting the engine from mechanical wear, and many more. To make a superior engine oil, it requires a precise combination of base oil and the right kind of additives in accurate quantities. Since 1911, Idemitsu has been developing technologically advanced lubricants. Based on this expertise gained over a century, Idemitsu has developed a unique technology. Presenting Idemitsu Advanced Additive Technology, IAAT, that enables our range of engine oils to excel in 4 key areas: performance, durability, mileage, and reliability. Bringing you the complete range of engine oils for modern cars formulated with Idemitsu Advanced Additive Technology that helps you to overcome few of the very common yet serious problems related to cars like mechanical wear and breakdown, poor mileage, noise from engine, higher oil consumption, higher emission, and many more. Idemitsu's range of 4-wheeler engine oil formulated with IAAT ensures optimum protection of engine parts in all driving conditions, improved fuel economy, best-in-class engine cleanliness, lowest oil top-up requirements, reduced internal drag and improved efficiency. Trust Idemitsu's technologically advanced 4-wheeler lubricant range and make your drives happier. Arigato gozaimashita. Thank you. Idemitsu, the leading lubricant from Japan.
Idemitsu was founded by Sazo Idemitsu in 1911 as Idemitsu Shokai in Moji, Japan, now known as Idemitsu Kosan Company Limited. Idemitsu started as a lubricant selling company that gradually expanded to various business sectors. Today, it is one of the largest Japanese energy company. Idemitsu Lubricants has been expanding its presence globally. Idemitsu entered India in 2006 and established a huge manufacturing unit in Patal Ganga. The manufacturing unit has been designed after detailed planning and analysis that exudes Japanese excellence. The company's manufacturing unit is ISO 9001 and 14001 certified.
एक इंजन ऑयल 10W40
10W40 यूरो 10W40 सबसे बेस्ट ऑयल है, फुली सिंथेटिक, और इसकी लाइफ भी 3000 किलोमीटर से ऊपर आएगी।
ना फीचर वगैरह
इसमें सारे एडिटिव डले हुए हैं, फुली सिंथेटिक है, इसकी वजह से गाड़ी एकदम स्मूथ चलेगी और आपको जो इसकी माइलेज इस गाड़ी की है वो अच्छी मिलेगी, पिकअप अच्छा मिलेगा, क्लच एकदम स्मूथ रहेगा। तो इस ऑयल का ये फ़ायदा है, गियर पार्ट्स में पूरी तरह पहुंचेगा, वियर एंड टीयर बहुत कम होने देगा, ना के बराबर, सबसे बेस्ट ऑयल है। ठीक है।